Everyone is chasing side hustles. But the real money? It's in owning digital assets, and most people are completely missing them. In this video, I'll show you 6 hidden digital assets that could dominate the next few years. Not trends, not quick money, but assets that generate long-term income. Most people focus on freelancing, small side hustles, short-term income. But smart people focus on ownership, scalability, recurring income. That's where digital assets come in. Data is the new oil. Companies pay huge money for datasets, user insights, niche data. If you own data, you own leverage. Not just using AI, but owning workflows, automations that generate content, capture leads, run businesses. These can be sold or scaled infinitely. Websites that rank on search, bring traffic, generate income. Once built, they work 24/7. Followers equal attention. Attention equals money. Platforms like YouTube, social media, your audience is your biggest asset. Systems that run without you deliver results, scale operations. This is how you remove yourself from work. Ebooks, courses, templates. Create once, sell forever. These assets have low marginal cost, high scalability, global reach, and most importantly, they create recurring income. This is not instant money. It requires patience, consistency, strategy. But once built, they compound. Don't try all 6. Pick one asset, build it, scale it, then move to the next. The next generation of wealth won't be physical. It will be digital. Start owning assets now, or stay stuck chasing income. Subscribe to Passive Profit Lab for more ways to make money online and build passive income. Comment below, which digital asset are you building first?